Hello guys! I was in the rice field. Wow! Cool! Beautiful! Aha! Come on guys! Wow! Look! What is that? Okay, take it. Wow! Do you know guys? What is this? Aha! This is Ultraman Billion. Wow! Fantastic! Okay, font again. Wow, look, I found it again. Come on guys, take it. Wow, beautiful. Good. Do you know guys, what is this? Wow, this is Ultraman Z Red. Wow! Good! Good! Come on! Once again! Whoa, 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 whoa! Look! Wow! What is this, guys? I think this is a box. Wow! Come on! Take it! Wow! This is a mysterious box. Wow! Very, very difficult. Ooh. Wow! Wow! Come on, guys! Put on the grace. Wow! Do you know, guys, what inside in the box? Wow! This is a mysterious box. Wow! Come on, let's open. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow, 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 wow! In the box, so many Ultraman toys. Ooh! So many! Come on! Take it one by one. Okay. I take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman King. So good. Wow. Okay, take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? Wow, this is Ultraman Great. So beautiful. The color is yellow. Wow. Good. Come on. Take it again. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman Mebius. Wow, good. Come on, take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman Tiga. Wow, very good. Good. Okay, take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman Jack. Wow, amazing. Okay, I take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman Agul. Wow, so cute. Okay, I take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman of Trinity. Fantastic. Good. Okay. Do you know, guys? Oh, what is this? Oh, I forget. This is Ultraman Dyna. Come on, take it. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman Tiga. Very good. Good. Okay. Take it again. Do you know, guys, what is this? Ah, this is, oh, this is Ultra 7. Yes, Ultra 7. Very good. Okay. Wow. Do you know, guys, what is this? This is Ultraman Geed. Cool. Good. Okay. Wow, so many Ultraman toys. Okay, guys, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, 11, guys. Okay, guys, that's all from me. Bye bye. See you.